How to log in to Splitwise account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Splitwise account. In order to do so, first of all, ensure that you have already created an account on Splitwise. Now once you have done that, go ahead and open your Splitwise application on your mobile device, and on the home page of the application, you'll be able to locate some buttons at the very bottom. Here you will need to simply look for the login button and then tap on it. Once doing that, now you will need to use your credentials in order to log into your account. In the first text box, here enter your email address that is associated to your Splitwise account. Once after entering the email address, now in the second box, enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password here. Once after entering the password, simply tap on the I button at the right side to reveal it and check if you have entered it correctly or not. If in case you don't remember your password, you may also tap on Forget Your Password link just below the login button here, and then from there you will need to follow the given instructions and then reset your password. After that, enter your new password in this text box and simply tap on this login button right here. Now you will need to wait for a while and then you will see you have been logged into your account. Now swipe it to the left side until you find the space. Here tap on Skip for Now button at the very bottom. And then here, if you'd like to get started right now, you can use these options to get started. If not, simply tap on the skip button and then you will see you have successfully been logged in to your Splitwise account. Now you can start using the Splitwise to manage your shared expenses. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.